Okay, here's the escapement, and when we get to the end of a line, when I move the carriage to the end of a line, you see the black bars on the right moving over, and you see the big silver U-shaped piece getting in the way. Here I'm typing, and the black piece is moving down here. Let me show you that one. It's actually silver on this typewriter, isn't it? The pencil is touching it now. Watch it go. Now I'm typing. Okay, now I'm typing. When I get to the end of the line, it's going to move over in the way, and that piece you can't push. Over here, now it's out of the way. Now it's typing. Boom. That piece gets in the way at the end of the line. The bell goes off, and then a few steps later, it's in the way and it can't type. So this piece is too far over if it's blocking you from typing. It should be over like that. Once again, now it's blocking, now it's free. Now it's blocking, that's the end of the line, now it's free. So we're typing along, minding our own business. We get to the end of the line and it moves over there and stops. But it has to move away from that for us to be able to type. And your adjustment point is right here where my pencil is. That black bar needs to be enough to move it away here so there's room for that piece to travel.